Hey, welcome to Hendrick Motorsports. I'm Alex Stamper in the marketing department. Today we're with one of our longtime sponsors, Lord Fusor. We're going to go around to some of the shops and see how our crew guys use the products to help our cars go faster. I think we use a lot of the same products that work great for us, so hopefully it work great for you too, and hopefully enjoy getting to see some behind the scenes stuff.
I'm Jim Parrott, North America Sales Manager for Lord Corporation and the Automotive Aftermarket. We're in Concord, North Carolina, working with Hendrick Motorsports. Hendrick has been a long-time partner with Lord Corporation, and we provide Fusor adhesives both for building the cars and for repairing them on the track. Today we're going to be talking to some of the technicians that use our products and find out how they use them in their processes.
I'm Ed Stackey. I'm the Senior Technical Support Manager at Lord Fusor Repair Systems, division of Lord Corporation. We're going to be talking to the technicians about some of the applications on the vehicles here, and they're going to be very similar to some of the applications you'll be using in your own body shop. I'm here today with Mark, and he's going to be talking to us about some places he may use the product and what he likes about it and how it's helped him out.
Right here, where the front fascia meets the fender. With the new NASCAR pieces, the nose fascia and the fenders are all stamped pieces. They all go together real easy. But they seam in this area right here, and it's the carbon fiber Kevlar to sheet metal. And we'll put down some 143, and then we'll rivet it all together, and that'll help bond it together, get us through the day.
So you're bringing a composite to a metal product together,
Yes, sir.
Using it, and it's holding up pretty good on the track, right?
Yes, sir. We don't have any issues whatsoever. As you can see, you look around, all the cars in the shop, we get some minor crack, but we don't do a lot of body fill over the top for weight reasons, but that holds it together.
Just looking on the tube, anybody can read the tube and know what you need to use it for, the dry time, application, preparation, and all that stuff. It's very simple.
So you find it very user-friendly product?
Yes, very user-friendly. Well, we use Lord Fusor on a daily basis from all different types of seams on the cars. We join seams together. There's a lot of intricate parts that get Fusored together. And there's so many different types of Fusor. I mean, there's different types for metal, there's different types of carbon.
I like the convenience and the ease of which they already use as far as application, spreading. There's the fast drying product. I think it's the 143 we use a lot for sheet metal applications and stuff.
So I think that's where you're bringing the Kevlar and sheet metal together. Kind of
when you join composites, obviously you can't weld them.
Right. So you're doing some, I guess I'll call it rivet bonding, if you will.
Yes.
I'd say the best thing I've seen with the Fusor is the quick bond. If you're in a situation where you got to get something done quick, you get it in your joint, get it, it tacks up right quick, so it's quick fit, and then move on to the next job. I think that's what I see.
How you doing, George?
Hi.
I'm Ed Stackey. I'm the Senior Tech Manager at Lord Fusor Repair Systems. And
Nice to meet you, Ed.
I know you've been using Fusor for a while.
Yes, sir. We use the 140 Fusor on the panels to glue the panels together, like if we got a small area to repair. And the T21 Fusor, if we have a hole in the nose that gets, from a lug nut or something on the racetrack, we just fill it up with some Fusor.
You will do some repairs at the track on a Kevlar cover.
Yes,
if it
yes,
gets some punctured through it.
yes.
You lose a lug nut, it goes through
Yep.
it.
Like at Daytona, where the noses are really important.
Yep.
If a lug nut gets on a pit stop, if it goes through,
Yep.
we've repaired
gotcha.
them. And
So they'll do some minor repairs right at the track, correct?
yes, sir.
Convenience of the packaging. We have a large package, a small package.
Yeah.
Some fellows like the large tubes, some fellows like the small ones, like maybe where you're working. I can see you're working right inside the car there. Maybe sometimes is that small cartridge convenient for getting in tight places for you?
It is. It's the bigger gun sometimes has its problems of maneuvering it with the large, the size of it. So the smaller gun, when you're using the smaller products like the 101 or the 140,
Right.
It's very convenient to get it in the tighter areas because you can maybe put it in a place that is a little harder to get to.
Okay. So
But you need that stiffness or the rigidness of the
yeah.
product.
So it's just the small package does give you some
Yes,
convenience
sir.
working
It's
around
very
the car.
good.
Real good. Yeah. I understand you do a lot of specialty stuff around here. Give me an idea of what you do.
A lot of stuff like even with sponsors, we do a lot of advertising with them.
I was going to ask you about this. We got this here. What did you do here?
This was definitely one we used a Fusor product on.
All this right here was all built with the 143. It's just been painted. So what we did is just kind of build it up, and it's being fast drying.
So you made all this surround halo, if you will?
Yep.
Out of just running beads out and letting them harden and making a design?
Yeah, just kept building it up. Just kind
That's
of
pretty interesting.
Kind of smearing it around a little bit, and it worked very well for that.
And I guess if you just went into the paint shop and got some blue paint, some clear coat, you had a pretty interesting looking sign there. I understand you maybe have a few specialties what you do in the car?
Yes, sir. What we do here is we do all driver interior, the safety of the driver. And there's a lot of heat and a lot of force that goes on in that particular area. So we use a lot of Fusor products down in those areas because they will withstand any punishment that you throw out at them, and they really handle the heat really well. We feel good with it, and we rely on it, and we trust it.
So you've been using Fusor products for quite a while?
I do use Fusor quite a bit. There's a lot of products that I use that I can't tell you that I use them on, but
I'm sure there's a lot of people would like to know, but we can't talk about that.
But as far as the bodies and stuff, there's a lot of holes that get drilled. We use Fusor product to plug the holes. We glue some of the body panels together with a lot of Fusor products. So it's a great product. We really like it, and it works well for us. Every car we have has got a Fusor product in it somewhere. So yeah,
that's a good deal.